In 2017, the United States on-farm storage capacity totaled 13.5 billion bushels. As on-farm storage continues to grow, producers need to be aware of how to identify insects, the problems they cause, and that post-harvest grain storage insect control is attainable and affordable. On-farm grain storage capacity includes all bins, cribs, sheds, and other structures located on farms that are normally used to store whole grains. Diacon-D IGR is a ready-to-use dry formulation that can be used to treat incoming grains and is an empty bin treatment. Ideal for areas where water is scarce, Diacon-D IGR is approved for all commodities, including barley. Applications can be made by hand or with automated equipment. The key to successful application of Diacon-D IGR is to make sure to get the best distribution of the product. Consistent application results in consistent protection. For best results, apply Diacon-D IGR at a rate of 10 pounds per 1,000 bushels.